take your privacy seriously. You guys should check out private internet access. Link will be below. They got a great deal going on. What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be looking at Pokemon Quest. This was available on the Switch. It's been available, I think, for about a month and a half, maybe a month. It just got released on Android and iOS. I am playing this on the PC via Android emulator. Now, before I get into anything, for you guys who are sub for Kodi, media, news, and all that stuff, I know you're not going to like this, but don't dislike this video because you don't like it. You know, if you got kids or something, or you're a fan of Pokemon, you may end up liking this game. I'm going to talk about some things I hate, some things that are kind of good that they simplified the game, and so on and so forth. So, I've already played through, and I played about half an hour, so I've got quite a bit of stuff done. But there's a couple things that I do and don't like. When you first do this game, there's a Pokeball that is a drone. You input your name, and then you get to pick 5 different Pokemon. Obviously, you get to pick Pikachu, Charmander, I believe Pidgey was one of them, and I can't remember the other ones. Squirtle and Bulbasaur, I think it is, or whatever, the small evolved form. Anyhow, you get to pick them. Now, like I said, there's some things I hate about this, which is you can't actually move around yourself. There's no Pokeball, so you can't catch random Pokemon. Basically, what it does is, I'll show you this in the game. You basically go on levels, you have waves, and then you have a boss sometimes to beat. And basically, you get your 2 attacks from a Pokemon, which you can level up. You can train your Pokemon, evolve them, so on and so forth. You can catch a legendary and stuff like that, which is kind of cool because they come to your base camp, which is what I'm in right now. And how you get them is you use this. So if I complete this right now, which I will do for 50, I don't really care. As you can see here, you open up this. Now you get different items for beating different Pokemon. And after you close this, a Pokemon will come running to your base. So as you can see there, I got Diglett. So it adds it to my Pokédex. And basically what you can do is you can switch out one of your Pokemons that you have for Diglett. So you can come here, you can auto set different items. So you could place, you know, these 2, and drop that here, put that here, put that here, start cooking. Your ingredients will be used when you cook. So you cook that. And again, I'm just going to use this to show you that you'll get a different Pokemon. Sometimes you may get the same Pokemon. However, depending on what you cook, you may get a different one. Okay. So I got a stone. I did stone soup. So I don't know who that was because it's a blocky form. Oh, there we go. That's kind of cool. Rhinehorn. So I'm going to actually switch out my one Pokemon for that. So as you can see, you get different Pokemons, and then you can edit your team. Now, for you guys who are OG Pokemon players, because you can't move around, you don't have Pokeballs and stuff like that, you don't have a 6-man team of Pokemon. Unfortunately, on this game, you have 3. So it is what it is. Again, you can level up these Pokemon, as you can see, level 13, level 5. And throughout these levels and stuff like that, it can bump up this level here, which this level will allow you to play some different areas of the map. So if I switch this back, as you can see, it didn't really drop that much. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the back button. There's some characteristics about this game that you can obviously figure out yourself. You do have a Pokédex that does have up to 150 Pokemon. I don't know as you progress and stuff like that if that actually changes. There is a energy level here which some people will hate. After you do battles and stuff like that, the energy goes down. You do have to wait quite a bit for it to come back up. But as you can see with the Pokédex here, once it opens, you do have 150, okay? Now, it would have been nice if there was a central hub. It would have been nice, again, if they had a central hub where you can go, you can battle other players, maybe trade Pokemon. So if you don't have one or can't get one, you can get one from somebody. You also have decorations that you can place down, and obviously you get different achievements and stuff like that for placing them down. So yeah, place down a statue of Rat-a-tats. You have options here, which doesn't really have much. You got push notifications, backup, stuff like that. You can back this up if you're playing on one device and you want to switch to another. You're able to do that. Again, this is available for 3 different platforms. Now, you do have this little thing here, which you can buy. Okay, so you can get stuff. As you can see here, you can get these for different things. You have boxes, Pokemon box expansion, stone expansion, members. Okay, you'll get some PM tickets right away after your bonus. Okay, so we'll click this, see what it does. So you can buy little packs here, which is kind of cool, I guess. So you can do additional content. I don't know if any store pawners will work for this, but pretty much, let's see. Let's actually do some battles. So I completed the first stage, which is right here. So after you complete them, a Pokeball will appear, and as you can see, let me see if I can scroll out. I can't scroll out. Okay, I didn't mean to click that. Get me out of here. Okay. I can't scroll out, but you can complete all these. I don't know what happens if you complete all these, if it will expand or if they have to expand it on the game. Okay. So as you can see here, there's 2 different. So we got some grass or stone. And let's do these. Now, with it being 1,000, me being 900 and something, these may be harder. Just keep that in mind. So you got an auto battle here, and then you have this, which if you watch, so let me call in some of these. Do this. Let me do takedown. There we go. So as you can see here, there's only the 3 waves. I don't like the way the screen looks on this. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video. It's kind of weird looking. It would be nice if you could turn off effects like that, because that's kind of annoying. I don't know if it's the emulator that's glitched out or what the hell is happening. We'll do these. He didn't even do anything. Okay, so we'll take these out. There we go. Now you do have a health and stuff like that. So like I said, if you come across someone who you know, think you're not gonna win, or they're gonna do a hard attack, if you hit this, it basically stops them and they run away. So just keep that in mind. Now obviously, if you're gonna play this on an emulator, it may be a little tricky and stuff like that to maneuver. Obviously, with it being touch, you can click quicker, but with it being obviously on the computer, you have to move your mouse and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so we'll do pile of scratch attacks, do that, and there we go. So they are dead. Now after the battles, your Pokemon do heal up, stuff like that. Now I'll also show you, because here you get to level up these, right? So you can place these stones in to basically up the attacks, the health, and stuff like that. Okay, so there is some aspects of the game that kind of been in some of the other Pokemon games and stuff like that. But again, this may look like it's more tailored toward kids, and it is, but again, any Pokemon lover will like this. And again, you get these different cards for doing different things, okay? You get different challenges and stuff like that. And as you can see from doing that one, that thing went down. So then if we go back here and we actually go to the rock, let's do the rock, okay? It tells you too, the grass type Pokemon, stuff like that will be good for some areas like this. So there's a pile of fish here. So I got 2 fire Pokemon, which is not good for this. Obviously, because water wins fire. So, okay. But yeah, well, again, you guys may like this game. You know, you should give it a try if you guys are looking for something to play. Again, if you have kids, They may like it. If kids are watching this video, if you guys want, I'll do more of a let's play for you guys. However, I will not talk if you guys don't want me to talk. But let me do these battles really quick and I'll show you the... I believe there's a boss there, or there may not be. I know some of these actually show up with a boss that you have to beat. So obviously the bosses have a crazy amount of health. Now, like I said, it would have been nice if you could have controlled these and have random Pokemon that come up and basically catch them with a Pokeball. Maybe that's something they could implement, who knows. There would be some things I would like to see. A central hub, and as you can see, more Pokemon do appear out of the random. It would be nice for a central hub. I think that's one thing they do need to add, so you're able to trade and talk with other Pokemon, other players, maybe battle them, maybe explore together, do like a co-op type thing where you take on different teams or you can form like a group. It would be nice to see that. Obviously this game is new, so there, you know, is a lot to be seen. Oh, what the hell was that? There's a lot to be seen with the game. So let me quickly finish these up. Oops. Oh, did he kill it? Yeah, he did. Wait. I don't know why there was a Pokeball there and why I can't do anything. That may be his respawn time, I'm guessing. Okay, so Charmander is done. So Slowbro is going to actually like kill me. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Oh, I did the wrong attack. Oh, Rhino's back. Oh, nice. Okay, so they do spawn back. That's kind of nice to know. That is nice to know. Okay, so I got... Oh, break. I didn't mean to activate that early. So we'll push him away. We'll push him away. So again, I picked the wrong Pokemon to actually do this, which does suck. So we'll get them to run away again. And only Charmander is left, so he's going to lose, obviously. I need Growlithe or somebody to come back. There we go, we got Growlithe back. Have him do that attack. I need a scratch. Okay, Charmander, you're done too. Run away, run away. Just run away. Run away. Run away. No! Okay, so that's the first battle I've lost. Okay. That kind of sucks, but collect items and give up. Yeah, we'll collect the items and give up. So it's gonna take 10 tickets from that. So we'll go back. Maybe I'll try and do some soups on that to get different Pokemon. But you kind of get the premise of the game. You should be able to. I'll quickly show you the level up aspect of these Pokemon and stuff like that. So as you can see here, I don't believe I can add any of these yet. Oh yes, I can. So Rhyhorn, you can add those two. The attacks you can't add to until that fully unlocks. Does suck. You do have these that you can sometimes place down on the Pokemon. Obviously it would be one, it has to be one that would allow it. You have stuff here so you can view the strengths and stuff like that. Okay, so you can click that. There's... Okay, so you can turn these on and off to be able to evolve. You can auto set. Okay, so you can click each one, do auto set, and it would do higher stones and stuff like that. Okay, so it is nice what they've done with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you got kids in that, link will be below for link for mobile devices, and or obviously if you have a Switch, you can go buy this on the Switch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, and see you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, on the left is a video you may like, and on the right you can check out my last video. Again, thank you for checking out the video. It means a lot. See you on my next one. Peace.